What will we do with a drunken sailor? What will we do
As you
with
can
a
see,
drunken
the Boston
sailor?
Whaler sits pretty high in the water here. It's not ideally set up. I've got an anchor at the bow and the stern, and it's got a line here to the shore. When I get a mooring in, that will be much better, but that might not be until next spring. I was not able to mark the mooring today, just showing my wife around in the boat. She loved it. So she's ready to go out in it again, which is fantastic. But beautiful day here on the coast of Maine. Didn't get any lobsters. I did all my traps. A lot of crabs, but that's not a big deal. So excellent boat. I love it. It's a 2003 Boston Whaler Sport 130 that was cut in half, and it is back together and just an amazing boat.